How to add custom alarm sound on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your application clock. Once you are in the app, head over to Alarms menu at the bottom of the screen. It will redirect you to this page. Now let me turn on one of my alarms for now. Once it has been turned on, click on it. Head over to Sound. In here, scroll all the way down and tons of different ringtones will be visible to you. But if you want to add the custom alarms, then what you want to do is, you can simply head over to Pick a Song. It will open up your library of your device. All the music that you have purchased will be available to you in this page. All you want to do is, click on the song that you would like to put an alarm. Once done, now the next thing you can also do is, go back to your previous page and then click on Download All Purchased Tone. After that, tap on Tone Store. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have already downloaded the custom songs on a device. Once you have downloaded, simply head over to the option Downloads. You will be able to see all the list of the songs that you have downloaded on a device. Now all you want to do is, click on the song that you would like to put it as an alarm. Once you have clicked on it, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add custom alarm sound on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.